Hey, I know you're probably feeling tired, maybe even a little frustrated. You've been spending hours making AI videos, tweaking prompts, editing, redoing scenes, and it's starting to feel like a grind, right? Trust me, I've been there. I know how exhausting it gets, especially when you're not seeing the results you hoped for. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be that hard. I've been exploring some easier, faster, and completely free methods to make amazing AI videos without all the overwhelm. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or spend a fortune to do it. So if you're ready to save time, skip the headaches, and actually enjoy the process again, stay with me. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do that. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Let's make creating AI content fun again.
So first of all, go to ChatGPT and create your script. This is what I'll be working with. Now we're going to dive into creating the picture. So I'm going to create the character. First is Joe. I'm going to indicate a 3D animation and in 16 by 9 because that is the frame of YouTube. So this is what I got. Let's create Michael. The same prompt 3D animation in 16 by 9. This will help you get efficient results. Note I said a consistent train station, so it will go with what Joe has. Now, ChatGPT has given us the image. I like this. Note consistency. So I want the parents of Joe to show. If you notice, I put the statement under the picture so that I will have a consistent character. ChatGPT gave us a consistent character and a good background. That is what I want. So these are other consistent character of Joe and Mineke and the background. This is what I love. So I go and create my prompt. This prompt helps to allow the image move. So ChatGPT will give me this prompt and all I have to do is copy it, take it to Hailuo Ai, choose the image and then paste my prompt. Now we create. I'm going to repeat it again so that you can see it. But let's see what we'll get. Now take a look at it. This is also from Michael. So all you have to do, go to ChatGPT, create your prompt for the picture, copy it, take it to AI, put your image, paste your prompt, and to give you your result. If you don't like the result, you can also tell ChatGPT to change the prompt for you and then take it to AI. If you don't like the result also in AI, you can also generate more than once to get your desired result. These are other steps I did. Just simple copy from ChatGPT, take it to AI, put it, paste it, and then generate. I like this, but we're going to have to download the watermarks because we're using the free version. But I'm going to show you how to easily take this free version, which will not give you any blur or sign. So this is for the last clip, and I'm fine with what I created. So now I'm going to put in these images together, the videos together rather. Now all I have to do is to arrange them according to the script and also the desired amount of time that's going to match with my voiceover. So all I have to do is take time and arrange it. Now I want to upload my voiceover. I'm going to attach it. Yeah. And then I'm going to add sound. I want it is a motivational video, so I'm just going to put motivational. Now let's see the videos. So I like the first sound, so I'm going to work with it. I'm going to add it. and
Joe
adjust
was a
it.
young boy who loved his shoes more than anything.
So this is fine for me. But I'm going to reduce the
Joe
volume
was a young
because I don't want it to be louder than the voice. So I'm going to adjust it and also increase the volume of my
Joe was a
voiceover
young boy
so
who
that it will
loved
be
his
balanced.
shoes more than anything.
So I'm
One
fine
day,
with
he
this.
was traveling with his parents and
Yeah. So now I want to cover the watermark. I'm going to text and write the name of my studio. That's my YouTube channel. So I'm going to choose the font. You can desire to choose any one you want, but I'm sticking with this. Now the style, I'm going to choose the size of the style. Yeah, so that's fine. Now I'll go to bubbles and put it in a bubble. So because I wanted to cover the watermark, I chose this bubble. Now I'm going to put it on the watermark. Yeah, this is okay for me. So I'm going to drag it to the end so it covers
Joe
everything.
was a young
So yeah,
boy who
it is.
loved his shoes more than anything. One day, he was traveling with his parents and noticed a barefoot boy at the train station, Michael, selling bread with a smile on his face, despite having so little. As Joe boarded the train, one of his shoes slipped off. Michael saw it and ran after the train, trying to return it. But the train was too fast. Joe looked back, saw Michael holding the lone shoe, and made a quick decision. He pulled off the other shoe and threw it out the window. Michael caught it, his eyes wide with gratitude. Joe smiled. Later, Joe's parents bought him the new shoes he always wanted. But the joy of giving stayed with him longer than the shine of any shoe. Sometimes, the smallest act of kindness can mean the world to someone else. Giving can bring more happiness than receiving.
Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you spending your time here, and I hope you were able to learn something new and helpful. If you found this video valuable, feel free to like, comment, or share it with someone who might enjoy it too. Until next time, take care and keep growing.